Welcome to this tutorial video on how to share your Wavebox groups with others using templates. Templates are a fast and easy way to share all your favorite web resources with others. Webdoc groups, such as this one for creative tools, can contain a carefully curated set of focused apps and tabs for a given task. As a group workflow, they offer huge time-saving benefits for you, which you can share with friends, coworkers, and members of your Wavebox team. To get started, hover over the group icon. Then right-click and select the Share This Group option from the menu. This will automatically launch the template wizard. The wizard will pre-select that group from your profile, and you have the opportunity to add other groups at this point. Next, decide whether or not you want to include any tabs in your group template and click on the tick box if you do. Next, you can choose to include passwords with your template. In this example, you don't, so just click on Next. Now it's time to name and review your template, checking on the list to see if everything you wanted to share is included. If all is okay, it's time to generate your share link. You can send the link in an email along with a message, share with your Wavebox team, or copy the code to your clipboard. Then all your coworker needs to do is paste the unique code into their Wavebox address bar and follow the simple import wizard. They can check the contents of the template and finally click on the Add to Wavebox button. The group will then magically appear in their Webdoc. You can also use templates to share entire profiles, which is a quick way to get new users and coworkers set up with Wavebox. Let's take a look. From the profile you want to share, click on the Profile button, followed by the Share icon to launch the template wizard, which this time has selected everything for you. Click on Next and then tick the box if you want to include tabs. This time you can include a couple of passwords in the template, so check the relevant boxes and then set up a master password. You will need to share this password with your coworker in another secure way, as they will need it to unlock the template before installing it in their Wavebox. Rest assured that your passwords are encrypted at all times for maximum security. Next, give your template a name and check the contents are correct before clicking on Share. This time, you can check the team box, then copy the link to the clipboard before clicking on Done. For an example of how profile templates work, click on the profile icon top right and create a new profile by clicking on Add. Give the profile a name, and then use your existing subscription to launch a new blank profile. The new profile will take a minute to boot up. Then you're ready to paste the share link into the address bar and kick off the install wizard. After checking that the template is the one you want, enter the master password to unlock the shared passwords, and complete the install by selecting the Add to Wavebox button followed by Finish. So here's a brand new profile that's populated with all the groups, apps, tabs, and passwords your coworker needs to get to work fast. Any template you create in Wavebox is stored in your admin portal. Click on the Settings cog bottom left followed by My Wavebox to launch the admin screens. Click on Templates in the sidebar to see a list of your templates with the one you just created at the top of the list. And since you checked the team box in the template wizard, it's also listed under Team Templates. Once a template is made available to the team admin can then allocate the template to each team member. So when they receive an email invite to join a team, they will install a preloaded Wavebox with the correct profile for them. After editing the team member's template, click on Save before closing the admin portal. You can also share apps and groups using workspaces. Workspaces let you bring web resources together from different groups for a theme or project. From a shared workspace, click on the Add icon in a collection widget and find the group you want to share from the list of everything in your profile. Click on the group and check which apps are included, then click on the plus icon to add the group to the collection and select Save. The group immediately appears in the collection for you and anyone else who shares the workspace. Workspace collection widgets are a fast and easy way to share web resources with other members of your team. With a quick click on the down arrow, the group is instantly added to the web doc. Collection widgets can include apps, websites, web documents, or any other web resource you need to get work done as an individual or as part of a team. In this tutorial, you discovered how to share the benefits of Wavebox with others. So let's recap. Right-click on any group and select Share to begin a template. Click on the profile icon top right, followed by the Share icon, to start a profile template. Templates can be shared by email from the wizard or by copying the link to your clipboard. And you can manage all your templates, including teams, using the My Wavebox admin portal. If you're new to Wavebox, why not start a 7-day free trial at wavebox.io? Thanks for watching, and see you next time.